Today, we're whipping up a creamy vegan carrot and ginger soup that's as nourishing as it is delicious. Begin with a large pot. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil over medium heat. Add a diced onion and sauté until translucent, about 5 minutes. Stir in 3 to 4 cloves of chopped garlic, freshly grated ginger, cumin, cinnamon, salt, and black pepper. Sauté for another minute until fragrant. Add the chopped carrots and red curry paste if using. Stir to coat the carrots in the spices. Pour in 4 cups of vegetable broth. Bring the soup to a boil, then reduce to a simmer. Partially cover with a lid, leaving a small opening to allow steam to escape, and let it cook for about 20 minutes or until the carrots are tender enough to pierce with a fork. For the creamiest texture, blend the soup in batches using a blender. When blending, cover the lid with a kitchen towel to prevent hot splashes. Return the blended soup to the pot and stir in the coconut milk, saving a small amount for garnish if you want to add decorative designs. Add half a lime for a zesty kick and adjust the seasoning to taste. Gently reheat the soup if needed. Ladle the soup into bowls and garnish with a swirl of coconut milk. You can also sprinkle some fresh cilantro, croutons, roasted chickpeas, pumpkin seeds, or pistachio nuts over the top for added texture. For more delicious recipes like this, visit nutsandtwigs.com.